In this video, I'm going to show you how to view files in your Gmail app on your mobile phone and then save them directly to Google Drive from there. This is going to allow you to quickly and simply go in, take a file from your email that's sent, such as a contract or maybe an addendum, review it from your email, and then save it directly to the property folder that it belongs. Let's start with opening Gmail. Go to the email that has the file you want. On Android, you can save it directly from the file. On iPhone, you need to open the file, and then in the upper corner, there's a button that says Add to Drive. So once you click on Add to Drive, it will save it to Drive, and then there will be a pop-up at the bottom of the screen that says Move for iPhone and Organize for Android. You want to make sure that you click that or tap on that quickly enough, otherwise it'll disappear and you have to go back into Google Drive, go into your home folder, and then follow the other steps to move it where it belongs. Not very difficult, just it's much easier to do it directly from the Gmail app. So let's go ahead and follow that. Add the drive. And of course I clicked on the wrong button. So add the drive, saving, then it pops up, click on Organize. And it takes you into your Google Drive. So you want to follow Keaton Company, go down to your Teamwork folder, and then Transactions. In there you'll find all of the agent's property folders. So you want to make sure you pick your property folder. We're going to use my test one here. And then if your property doesn't show up, if your folder isn't there yet, such as you just received a purchase agreement, you're not going to have that property folder yet because the transaction coordinator hasn't been made aware of this new deal. So what you'll do is you can click on this little add button for here to create a new folder. Create a new folder, and then you want to give it a name. So we want to follow our standard naming practice where we start with the street name. That way everything's kind of gone by alphabetical. Do a hyphen and a space, and then you can do the street number. So that we can identify which property on that street it is. And then we use or add in our client name. So we'll do Jack Johnson. And then we want to identify what type of client they are. Typically this will be more or less self-explanatory, but it takes a little more digging to identify that. So this gives us a really quick, easy way to sort and filter who or what type of client we're working with. Eventually we're going to have a different transaction coordinator for listings and a different transaction coordinator for closing. So this helps each one of them go into your property folder and identify which properties they need to work on real quickly. So this one's going to be for a buyer. And then we just click on OK. And that takes us directly into that new folder. If you want to drop it into this folder, you hit select. Now the other way is if the property folder is already there, then you just select whichever property it belongs to, open it up, and then select. And then that drops it there. It says moved into Drive. So that's pretty simple, straightforward. If you have any questions or issues with this process, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. iPhone may look a little different, but all in all, it's a very similar process. But I'm happy to make a video for iPhone if need be.